I
people.
don't care about it because I'm not in it for that.
Right.
So most of those people, they in it for the fame.
You got to know what you're in it
That's
for.
and that's the problem right there. Most people are in it for the wrong things. So my obsession is different from, oh, I need to make this amount of money. No, I love what I'm doing. So I love, you know what? I'm selling cereal. Yeah. Every moment I get, I'm gonna market my cereal. People always say, well, how are you gonna be successful if you don't believe in what you have? So why should I believe it if you don't believe in it? So think about, why should I buy FUBU if you didn't believe in it?
That's right.
I seen the way you told us this fuzz by us. It made me get out there and say, you know what? I like that. I want that. I want to represent. And that's my thing. This is a movement. What I tell people all the time now, this is bigger than us. This is a movement. The reason it's a movement because it's never been done before. And to build generational wealth, everybody think it's about money. I tell people, I got $1 billion worth of knowledge. Mm-hmm. I could never fall off. I'm like instant grits, just add water. I'm gonna make some money. Mm-hmm. And because I don't worry about the money. Most people never be successful because that's all they talk about. So know what they'll tell you? Oh yeah, when I make my $1 billion, wait up, you ain't made $10 yet. Mm-hmm. Let's make the $10 first. So if I told you, I started out in the record business as a retail store. Mm-hmm. So I made my first $10,000 and come back and built that up, put the money back into the company, redid that, made some more money till, at one time, I'm in a store now as a 19-year-old kid making all this money because I put the money back into it. And I wasn't in it for the money. And that's what I want to show people. I was in it because I love what I was doing, and I was able to give other people opportunities, give other people work, so we was building economic empowerment into this community as a young person. So that's what I'm saying now with my mindset that I'm thinking, okay, I'm not successful till I create other millionaires. And that's what I did. Started putting all these other people on. And even when I signed Snoop, I'm like, okay, well, they not doing you right here.
That's right. You let people keep their publishing, right?
Everything. It wasn't about me. Like, my thing is, see, this is what people don't realize. Unless somebody take that from you, your publishing, and me and you had the same attorney, your publishing go to you. Mm-hmm. So you can't say somebody took your publishing unless you sold it to them.
Well,
so let's be honest. Like that goes in your social security number, your name. Now, if you don't have no money and you want to sell that to somebody, then that's on you. That's like somebody having a business. We know.
No, but you just nailed it, right?